Hey, Ann. Show Oma what your new favorite is. What your new favorite food is.
The what?
Say pita sandwich.
Pita.
He likes mayonnaise and turkey and potato chips in his pita, huh? Is that what your new favorite is? Is that good?
Mama.
Show Oma. Show her yours.
Mama. That's my sandwich.
That's your sandwich.
Turkey.
Turkey and chips and mayonnaise. I gotta say mayonnaise. Say mayonnaise on a pita bread. Your sandwich is coming apart.
Oh no.
What are you doing? Putting your chips back in there?
Yeah. There. That's there.
That good?
Yeah, Mommy. That's good.
Make your tummy
Good.
feel better?
Yeah. Mama. Mommy got soup.
Yeah, Mommy got one too.
Spicy.
Say pita sandwich. Tell Oma when she comes to see us we're going to have pitas, huh? And strawberries, huh?
Hi, strawberry.
Do you want some strawberries? Hmm?
Yeah, potty.
You got potty? Okay.
Yeah.